I'm going to show you how to make $100 in a day on WhatsApp with this one trick in this video. And this requires no technical skills, no following, doesn't require you to talk to anybody. Anybody can do this unless you're in Nigeria or Bangladesh. But otherwise, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money. Let's get started. All you need is a phone, WhatsApp, and access to the internet. Let me show you how. Making money on the internet is easy, folks. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $100 every single day using nothing but your smartphone and WhatsApp, the messaging app. And I'm gonna show you a trick of how you'll get paid, how you can get the money, and all that jazz. So I'm gonna dive right into it on my computer. But just to be clear, you can receive the money one of two ways. The way you will receive the money, you either need an address where somebody or the company can send a check to, or you need a bank account where the company will literally wire the money to your bank account. So you need an address or a bank account, a smartphone, and the internet to make this happen. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to a site called clickbank.com, okay? Clickbank.com, not QuickBank or not clickbait, clickbank.com. And you type that in, you go there, and what you want to do is you want to sign up. You'll click create an account right there, and you'll create an account with clickbank.com. Now, the next thing you'll do is you'll go over to this area called the affiliate marketplace. After you've created an account, you'll go right here, and you'll click that, and you will be able to find products to promote. So this is called an affiliate network, and it's a way you can earn commissions without ever actually having to do any product support or actually owning the product or shipping anybody anything or knowing any technical skills or talking to anybody. Literally, it spits out links, and you send those links to people and you make money. So let's go right over here. So we're going to click search right here, and we're going to search for the top products. Now, you'll see over 4,200 products right here, which you can advertise, and the column on the left side shows you how much money you can make every time somebody buys that product from you. Pretty cool, right? A marketplace which tells you how much they'll be paying you, right? Okay, so what we'll do is we can go over to this section right here called e-business and e-marketing. And you can select there, or you can go over to page 2, and you'll see my program is number 11th out of 4,000 products. This is my training program on how to start your own business. Now, my training program has changed the lives of tens of thousands of people around the world. You can enroll in it too if you want, but I'm going to show you how to make money doing affiliate marketing first. Now, my program goes over paid traffic methods. And my assumption is you don't want to pay any money to, on traffic. You just want to advertise for free and make money first. And that's a great way to get started. So I'm going to show you these free promotion methods of how you can sell my product. So I make money, you make money, and we all win. Is that a deal? Type in deal in the comments if you're game. Let's both make money together. Okay, and the way this works is you're gonna promote my product. And every time you promote it, you will get paid $469. So without going too deep into my program, you'll go into and click that promote button, and you'll come up with a screen like this. And your account nickname will show up. In this case, one of my accounts is this. And I would click this button right here, which says generate hop links. And here's our link that we can copy. So you can right click it and click copy, or you can click this button right here, which will copy the link. Now, before I move on to step number 2, if you are from Nigeria, Bangladesh, or some various African countries, ClickBank won't accept you. I don't know, it's discrimination. They think you're scammy, okay? But I'm not saying you are. I'm saying ClickBank thinks you are. So what you can do if you want to still do affiliate marketing and make money doing this method is you want to go to Digistore24, and there should be a link in the description, and you can get started. Digistore24 right here is a affiliate network that accepts people from all over the world, no matter what country you're in. So if you're from Pakistan, they'll accept you, okay? You just click register right here, and you click register, and you can sign up as an affiliate, okay? So I'm not gonna go too deep into that, but that's for the international people. So we're over here on bitly.com, as you can see over here. It's called Bitly, okay? And it says create click-worthy links. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna go over to here where it says shorten your link. And we will paste our link right in there, okay? Right there. And then we'll go over here and click shorten, okay? So right there. And then we click shorten and we come up with a prettier link. Ooh, it's so pretty. Now I copied the link right there, and we're gonna go over to WhatsApp now, okay? So this is where we start getting our link out and making money, okay? Now what you're gonna do is you're going to send a message to people via WhatsApp. Anybody whose phone number you have, anybody whose phone number you can get, anybody you can find a way to message on WhatsApp, write them a message and message them this link. And let me show you examples of messages I get every single day from other marketers because these messages work. Now I don't, you should never say anything that would get you in trouble, but let me give you an example of a message that might work. Now, here we see examples of messages that I've received via text from marketers, but these are messages that would work similarly on my product on WhatsApp. So here's messages that other marketers are sending. Alert for John, there's an opening in your area, and then they include an affiliate link. Okay, good morning, John. Come in for an interview. Please connect today and set up an appointment together. And then a link. Come in for an interview, John. John, my daughter showed me this and I love it. And then it gives a link and it says sign up by, a date. And then here's another one. You said you need extra income, and then it gives them a link. As of August 26, it's available. So these are all examples of messages other affiliates are using to message me to get me to buy from their affiliate links. And here's some more messages that you can use, or examples of messages that would work with this link that I just showed you to copy. So we see, John, this blessing is all yours. Enjoy it and use it for whatever. Hey, Monica, this is yours. Keep this between me and you. John, come in for an interview. Please connect. Jessica, hey, it's Jessica. This is for you. Please keep this. Here's the link you asked about. All of these are great ways to get the affiliate link out. Now, here's an example of one of the programs they're sending me to, okay? They're sending me to another kind of make money online program. But what you want to do is you want to take one of those messages and just change out that link with your link that you copied from Bitly, okay? Does this make sense? Type in the comments if this makes sense in the comments, if this is crystal clear. Now, using this method, you can make a lot more than $100 a day. You can make $469 in a single day. Now, you can promote programs between me and you. You can find other products which you can advertise that pay you less money. But you come and you find a way, you come up with your own text message to send people. But this marketplace, ClickBank, gives you a lot of products which you can make a lot of money with. Now, I gave you a working way. Let me show you one extra method of how you can make money without people even purchasing from your affiliate link. Check this out. So this site is called AdFly, okay? Adf.ly. See it right here. And what we see here is that you can actually get paid just if people click your links. So you literally get paid no matter if people buy or not. Now, you might not make $500 from this, but you can easily make $100 a day just by sharing these links. Now, what's even better is you can take your link that you got from Bitly or whatever. You could take your affiliate link and you can promote my program, okay, generate Hoplink. You can copy your link in there and then you can post it in AdFly. See that? So this bonus method includes you're going to paste your link in here and then you're going to click the shrink button right there. And now we have a new link. So we're going to copy this. And now if somebody goes to this link, what happens is it shows them an ad, okay? So it shows them an ad before it takes them to my site. And as you see, it's showing them an ad for a couple different seconds up here. You see the AdFly logo, and it shows them this ad, and you make money just because they saw this ad, okay? You don't get paid that much, but each visitor is worth about like 5 cents, okay? So each visitor is worth like something like a penny. But either way, you make money no matter what. Now, once the ad is done and they skip the ad, so you made money no matter what, now they're going to your affiliate link right here, and you still have another chance to earn money. You can earn up to $470 if they end up going through, you're giving them a free training, and they go through the free training, which is how to do affiliate marketing and paid advertising, how to do affiliate marketing with My Secrets, and you will make money, and we both make money. So I just showed you a guarantee way to make money no matter what, and on top of that, you can make an extra $500, and if you make one sale a week, you are making an extra $100 every single day, which is amazing. Now make sure you type in WhatsApp Money in the comments area below. WhatsApp Money. If you got value from this, and if you're gonna go out there and use this method to market, type in WhatsApp Money, because this is exciting. We're making money, and we're doing it easy without spending any money ourselves. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment WhatsApp Money or whatever. Let me know what questions you have, because I'd love to hear from you, love to talk to you soon. But before you go, let me show you this, which is kind of crazy. This is a testimonial I got just the other day, and I blew my mind. Look at this guy, okay? This guy, Mike Spencer, sent me this. He was a student of my Super Affiliate System course, and just to show you how easy and step-by-step you think this is good content, wait till you join my 6-week training program.
Video, and it's been a great experience for me. I've been following you now for about a year with version 2 and now the version 3 program. It's been great. I've made a couple of sales, but still working on getting my sales going, trying new things, testing new products, not new products, but so much, but testing different medium like Facebook and YouTube and that sort of thing. So I haven't achieved the level of success I hope to achieve, but it's through your training that I'm launching out and doing these things.
Now, what I think is cool about this is an example of a student with the right mentality. He's making money, he's covered his costs of the program, and he's moving forward, and he's moving even higher forward. He's really trying to take his business to the next level. And if even somebody as old as my grandpa can do this, it shows that anybody, no matter what range of skills or experience you have on the internet, you can make money doing affiliate marketing. And it's very easy. You just need to get started. So this trick I showed you, go out, apply it. WhatsApp Money in the comments area if you're dedicated to applying this. But also, if you're looking to get rid of your job and work for yourself and really take your life into your own hands, go sign up for my training course. There are links in the description, and get started, because I'm going to show you a systematic way to create your business and take you to the next level where you're able to not just earn some extra money with this WhatsApp method, but I'm also going to show you how to be able to make enough to cover your job and to quit your job so that you can work for yourself as a full-time affiliate marketer. Thanks for watching. Big thumbs up. See you soon.